Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming physical connections and the active input so scaling controls will matter. First, inspect the HDMI or component cable ends, reseat them firmly. Once done, switch the TV to the exact input for that device and check the device's output resolution, knowing it avoids wrong scaling. Next, power cycle both TV and source. Unplug for 10 seconds and plug back in to clear temporary handshake errors before you adjust any settings. Now you go into the TV's picture or display settings to fix the size. Navigate to aspect, zoom, or screen fit. These control how the TV maps the incoming pixels. Try screen fit or 1 first because they preserve all edges. If that crops, use 16, 9, or just scan depending on your content. If you see black bars or edges cut off, reduce zoom or enable PC mode to disable overscan. This ensures the TV shows the finish by matching the source to the TV's native resolution so pixels align. On a PC or set-top box, set output to the TV's native resolution and refresh rate. This reduces scaling artifacts. If edges still misalign, open your GPU control panel and adjust horizontal and vertical size by small increments until the picture fits. Finally, verify the fix by testing different inputs. If problems persist, swap HDMI ports or cables and update TV firmware to rule out hardware or software bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.